This will be the elevator outside of Von Maur at Polaris Mall in Columbus, Ohio. There's Von Maur. Go ahead. There's the elevator sign. This is a Schindler. Oh, here it comes. Look at this. Here it is. Scenic. Go and watch the black and go. It's a Schindler with MT from 2001. Here you go. Von Maur. Go up to UL. Yeah, they have the light up door sensors here. There's your phone. 3,500 pound capacity. Scare cavity all the way up. Pretty nice. Can't really hear the motor that well on this one. Reminds me of the one at Maur Millennia. Go back down to LL. These doors are really slow. Door close button does not work. And here we go. I don't know what that thing on the indicator is there. This one's probably the slowest out of all the mall elevators here. MT, pretty basic, but it's not very bad. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.